The 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is a stylish and approachable cruiser that combines retro bobber looks with modern performance. Designed for both beginners and experienced riders, it offers a smooth, comfortable ride with an emphasis on simplicity, customization, and reliability. Design. The Rebel 500 carries forward its signature minimalist bobber style with a low-slung frame and a clean, blacked-out finish. The low 27.2-inch seat height makes it ideal for a wide range of riders, while its compact dimensions and narrow profile enhance urban maneuverability. The bike includes cast aluminum wheels, a classic round headlamp, and a removable pillion seat for a solo riding option. Performance. Powered by a 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, the Rebel 500 delivers around 46 horsepower and strong low-end torque. It's mated to a 6-speed transmission and equipped with a slipper/assist clutch, which makes shifting easier and reduces fatigue during longer rides. The suspension setup features 41mm telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks, offering a balanced ride. Front and rear disc brakes with optional ABS ensure confident braking in all conditions. Colors. For 2025, the Rebel 500 is offered in several eye-catching color options including matte gunpowder black, candy Tahitian blue, deep mud gray, and new tones like matte dim gray and candy energy orange. These choices allow riders to express their individual style right from the factory. Pricing. In the United States, the 2025 Honda Rebel 500 is priced as follows. Base model, $6,499. ABS model, $6,799. ABS SE, Special Edition $6,999. The Rebel 500 remains one of the most accessible and versatile midsize cruisers on the market, offering great value, comfort, and customizability in a compact, modern package.